Hey, what's up guys? Today we will talk about Cane Inu project and we will also tell you how to buy Cane Inu token in the last of the video, and its rank is 2606. Around 4210 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is caneinu.com. This is its price, $0.000286. BTC is 39.65% down. ETH is 39.04% down. Low price is $0.000286. High price is $0.006. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain, and this is contact address. After that we will come down, and this is its graph. This graph is continuously decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 34 million Cane Inu coin, and its trading volume is $3.3 million. After that we will come down, and this is its description. We can read it, and its total supply is around 100 trillion Kenu coin. After that we will open its website and click on caneinu.com. I have already opened this website, and here these are menu bar like home, token, ecosystem, audit, donate and audit report. Kenu earn instant rewards for being a holder. Cane Inu is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency developing a community-driven ecosystem based on its native BSC token. That means Cane Inu token is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency develop a community-driven ecosystem. And this is contract address. We can view live chart, and max supply is 100 trillion and current supply is 72.3 trillion and pre-sale 45 trillion and liquidity 27.3 trillion. Token economics. As a means of serving our faithful Kenu holders, we have implemented a 7% tax on each transaction, a rewarding and deflationary mechanism comprised of a 4% autonomous LP acquisition and 2% static reflection, no staking farming required, and a 1% burn, thereby reducing the supply wishlist, enabling the token appreciate in value. A win-win. That means every transaction implemented 7% tax, 4% added to the liquidity pool and 2% distributed to the holder, and 1% burn and 4% autonomous LP acquisition, 2% holder distribution and 1% instant token burn. And project breakdown. What is Cane Inu? Where can I purchase? Where are Cane Inu economics, community wallet and others? And most important is what is the future outlook roadmap. First phase, initial growth, website launch, smart contract audit, pre-sale, DEX listing, PZ, CMC listing, 10,000 Kenu holder, 10,000 community, 10 billion market cap, and influencer partnership and other content creators. Phase 2, exposure, Kenu swap, Kenu ventures, NFT collection, mass release, initiate CX listing, 50,000 Kenu, 50,000 community member, 50 million market cap. Phase 3, rebranding, website rebranding, strategic partnership, team recruiting, Kenu swap, 1 lakh Kenu holder, 1 lakh community member and 100 million market cap. And phase 4, expansion, Kenu pad charity sponsor event and 1,500 Kenu holder, 1,500 Kenu members, 250 million market cap and monstrous giveaways. And KYC smart contract audit to ensure the utmost safety of your funds in accordance with our roadmap. We applied and successfully completed our KYC and smart contract audit from a third party firm recognized as a solid proof and official partner of ANCX. Furthermore, succeeding our pre-sale liquidity has been logged for a period of 11 months. And following documentation comprehensive review our BSC smart contract, we can view audit report. And Kenu culture ecosystem. KNU aim to develop an ecosystem around its native Binance Smart Chain token with a primary focus on community governance, technological innovation, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet, and Trust Wallet has been opened. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page, and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet, and click on connect, and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap, and click on confirm swap, and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap, and finally these coins will add successfully on Trust Wallet. So thanks for watching.